When was the last time you heard from your mother?
When was the last time you really listened to someone else?
You tell me something, man. When was the last time you met one who didn't...
When was the last time you slept?
Gina, when was the last time you saw somebody volunteer to be murdered?
Mr. Pollard, when was the last time you saw Mary?
Russ, when was the last time I overdid anything?
When was the last time you did it, Pete?
I'm not gonna tell you that.
Tell me, when was the last time you actually bought a ticket to see a movie?
So when was the last time you wore them?
When was the last time you spoke to Mr. Price?
But when was the last time you hung out with your friends?
So when was the last time you hit the road just for fun?
When was the last time you had a real conversation with someone without somebody texting or looking at a screen or a monitor over your head?
So when was the last time you saw a dentist?
When was the last time you stopped to appreciate a good sunrise?
When was the last time you were in contact with your father?
When was the last time you were down here?
When was the last time you saw a plus-size superhero?
When was the last time you had sex?
When was the last time you washed?
Who?
When was the last time you saw him?
He's a fine pilot, but when was the last time he was in a simulator?
When's the last time you cleaned this engine?
When was the last time you saw her?
4 days ago.
When was the last time you saw him?
When was the last time you saw him?
December 17th.
When was the last time she ate?
When was the last time you felt good about anything?
When was the last time you saw your son?
When was the last time you lied?
Now, when was the last time you came to see us, Philomena?
When was the last time you slept? Today's Friday.
When's the last time you took your ass to school?
When was the last time you had a physical? When was the last time you saw her?
Just before Christmas.
When was the last time we...
15 and a half years.
When was the last time Smith Blaine was here? When was the last time you guys ate anything?